Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hide the SKU on WooCommerce products page. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, make sure that you are in the admin panel in your WordPress. After that, all we need to do is just to go to the appearance to customize some items of your product page. And basically, you can either go to the appearance, and from here we will be able to start customizing on the theme. Then you will need just to go to the elements that you want to hide. For example, it's in our case is the SKU. So after that, we need just to go to WooCommerce and then we need just to search for the products catalog. By going to the products catalog, you will need just to go here, and after that, we will need just to search for uh, the item to hide the SKU. So as you can see, those are the default things, etc. And basically, I'm already not having the SKU here. And all you need to do if you want to hide the SKU, if it was displayed, you will need just to do it like that. And you will have your price or SKU that will be hidden. Then you will need just to make sure to have your elements that has been published. Another way to do it is just using some other plugins if you would like, such as the hide cart functions. Oh, and basically, you can hide many functions of your items or from the carts, and they will be disabled on whatever you like. For example, you can hide the quantity or hide the add to cart button, etc. And you will need just to click on add settings. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.